So our rear tint kit right now is just, again, right now for the non-LED. We're gonna cover up this white area and a little square in here. We are working on a full tint for this. It's a pretty complex taillight, so give us a little bit of time, we'll get that done. And once we get a LED version in, we do have one that covers the full face in the back. If you wanna go with a lot of dark on the back, we have that now, but not for the sides. That full back will work for the LED as well. Anyway, let's get this started. Again, these are pretty easy to do. This one, we do like to do these loose. It really is just kind of eyeing it up. I'm gonna let that do that top last and just kind of get that over. Just barely tack that. And I know this isn't for everybody. It's something that I've preferred to do. Just makes that a little bit different. Sometimes just the little things that sets your vehicle apart from the next guy. There's a little indentation in here. You're gonna go just on the inside of that. Make sure your hands are clean as well, because you are gonna touch the back side of that. You don't have to do that piece if you don't want to. I'm still kind of on the fence with it, but for now, we're gonna leave it. Anyway, let us know what you think. If you guys wanna see any more stuff as far as the tint goes, like I said, we're gonna do a full version of this soon, but for time being, we're just doing the overlays. Thanks a lot.